Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use the Vivaldi web browser on your computer, for example on a Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system. It is mind-blowingly simple and may serve as an alternative to other web browsers you have used so far, like, I don't know, Microsoft Edge or Safari or Opera or Google Chrome. So this is how you can do it, guys. Start by downloading the Vivaldi web browser on your computer. Do that. Access your web browser, type in Google search something like Vivaldi or Vivaldi web browser or browser, and pick the first search entry you see here, and on the homepage of Vivaldi, click on download, wait for the installation launcher to be downloaded. Next, head over to your output folder, launch the installation launcher, go through a short installation process. Now, as you can see, I've already done that, so it shouldn't take you more than a couple of seconds, the installation process. So once you have installed the Vivaldi web browser on your computer, launch it. Now let me show you some basic features and functions here on Vivaldi. So this is the home page or home feed here. You can, for example, open a new tab by clicking on a plus icon and enter the URL here at the top, like for example www.google.com. There you go. So that's Google, for example. And if you'd like to bookmark your favorite websites, simply click on that icon here next to the URL address bar, bookmark page. So you can customize your bookmark, for example, give it a name, the URL a nickname, describe it, and also move it to a specific folder and confirm by clicking on done here at the bottom. You can access your list of bookmarked websites here to the left, where you see that icon here. So what you want to do next, guys, is, for example, head over to your settings. You can do that by clicking on that gear icon in the bottom left corner. And if you like, make Vivaldi your default browser, you can do that by clicking on set as default here. Also, guys, you can choose a specific homepage or a specific URL and set it as your main homepage, like for example google.com. If you click on specific page here, simply type in the URL below. After that, guys, you can also choose a startup page. Here, for example, your homepage, a start page for a specific page. So repeat the same process. You can update Vivaldi to the most recent version by clicking on Show Update Settings here at the bottom, and give Vivaldi the allowance for the permission to automatically search for, download, and install updates if there are any. Next, guys, you can also change your interface language here on Vivaldi from English, which is usually the default interface language, to, I don't know, Hindi or French or Italian or Tagalog, and click on Save Language below. And if you scroll further down, you will be given the opportunity to give Vivaldi the permission to automatically translate pages for you to your target language. Then, guys, go through your settings here to the left. For example, you can customize your browser's appearance, choose between a dark and a light theme, for example, customize your tabs, the address bar, bookmarks, the search bar, and so on and so forth. Another important aspect or part of your account settings is the privacy and security section here. So you can access it by clicking on privacy and security here on the left hand side, and enable a variety of tracking prevention measurements, like for example ask websites not to track me or block hyperlinks, and so on and so forth. Customize your download location by clicking on downloads here and by selecting a folder as your output or download folder. And last but not least, we got also the browsing history. For example, if you'd like to protect your privacy and simply delete traces of you searching online. So this is how you can delete your browsing data. It's actually super simple. Simply select or click on that icon here on the left sidebar. That is going to open up your browsing history, and all you need to do, guys, is simply click on that icon here to the right and choose what data you would like to delete. For example, data you visited in the last hour, in the last 24 hours, the last week, the last month, or your entire browsing data. Select the part or the aspects of your data, like the browsing history, the downloads, cookies, cache storage, autofilled passwords, and so on and so forth, and confirm by clicking on delete here. And that's actually all you need to know to get started with the Vivaldi web browser. I mean, it's the basic features and functions I've shown you. So guys, that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.